These are the Swingline standard staples, and you get 5,000 of them. These are standard, which measure 1/4 leg length, and you get 210 staples per strip for use with full-size staplers. And this is what it looks like inside. This has 210 in each strip, and you get 5,000 of them. This is a close-up of what the staples look like. Now, you do not have to use it for a Swingline stapler. Any will do. However, this is one of our favorite staplers. It's the Swingline 747, and it is very easy to open and refill. So just like that, I put it inside, and then you just close it like this. And there you go. Now, simple as that. So let me show you how easily it will staple papers. And just like that, stapled it nice and efficiently. Definitely recommend these staples for your office, for your home office, for your kids' schoolwork. Definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.